Looking for breathtaking views, rich culture, and unforgettable adventures? Welcome to Japan's hidden gems, Niigata, Nagano, Toyama, and Yamanashi. Ski down world-class slopes in Nagano, home of the 1998 Winter Olympics. Soak in relaxing hot springs surrounded by snowy peaks. Taste the freshest seafood and award-winning sake in Niigata. Explore peaceful beaches and historic towns by the Sea of Japan. In Toyama, ride scenic trains through lush gorges. Catch the sunrise over the Japan Alps and discover timeless crafts. And in Yamanashi, hike around Mount Fuji, pick fresh grapes. And sip on some of Japan's best wines. 4 prefectures. 4 seasons. Countless memories. Discover the heart of Japan, off the beaten path. Your next journey starts here. Enjoy Japan at www.sakuratv.com.
The World Athletics Championships is returning to Tokyo.
And it's a new world record!
Be there to watch history being made.
A new world record!
Tickets on sale now. Every second, sugoi. The World Athletics Championships Tokyo 25.